Hi! So, for my Explode project, I chose to create hygiene kits. And I know you're probably thinking, hygiene kits? What does she mean by that? You'll find out on the next couple of slides. So, what is the project? So, my goal was to create a kit that would contain hygiene products for people to take when going out. Inside the kit, there will be face masks, hand sanitizer gel, disinfectant spray, disinfectant wipes, hand soap, a pack of tissues, and a strap to make it easier to carry. So I created 4 different themed kits. There's a Marvel themed one, a Hello Kitty one, a regular children's one, and a regular adult one. We also offer kit refills for almost half the price to be more eco-friendly. Here's an ad that was created to show off the adult kit, and then next to it you can see all the Marvel kits packaged and ready to be sent off to people. Why I chose this topic? So I wanted to help my mom's company, which is operating children's play centers. Play centers here in Bahrain have been closed since last March, so it really would be great to help her make some money by selling these kits. People are really scared to go out, and I thought having the right supplies would make outings easier, safer, and a lot more fun, if you ask me. Putting all the items in one kit would make it more convenient to grab and go, because for me, I always forget my mask. That's a big thing. So I think if it was in like a kit all together with other things, it'd be easier to just take everything and you can just grab it and go and you won't forget anything. So at first, we started buying all our materials individually packaged, like you can see on the right. But then we figured out it was easier to buy all our materials in bulk and pour it into our own bottles to be put into the kits. How did I do this? So I started with researching what is needed when going out during the pandemic, because that is a big thing that needs to be that I need to know to do this. After that, I made a list of materials that'd be useful to completing this project. After that, I drove around Bahrain with my mom. Well, my mom drove me. I can't drive, but around Bahrain to different stores in looking for what was available here. After that, we priced each item to see if it would fit the budget and be affordable. So after we bought all the materials, we started putting them together to create our kits. And finally, when we were done, we designed different ads to promote the product on social media. You'll see an ad right here on the next slide. So this ad just shows all the different kits and what's included and where you can buy them. This shows the process of making the Marvel kits. As you can see, we had a Captain America soap bottle that was filled with soap, and then after that, we put it in with the hand sanitizer and tissues, disinfectant spray, and a strap. So these are the cases that we put all the supplies in for the kits, and then next to that, you can see the masks that we packaged up to put into the kits and labeled them. So obviously, it's a mask. Thank you for listening. I really hope you enjoyed. I think these kits are great since we're going back to school after spring break for teachers and students. So make sure to buy one at playbahrain.com. Thank you.